This is Chandra at ATSpear Assistive Technology. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video of the Livescribe Echo Smart Pen. One of the things I noticed in the last year is that the packaging has gotten a lot slimmer. So I wondered if we still have all the same things in the box that we used to have. Now, according to the list on the side, everything's the same, but we're going to open it up and take a look inside. So here you can see we have the Livescribe Echo pen, we have a micro USB charging cable, and we have the spare ink. Inside here we have the manual and the starter book. So let's take a look at the pen. Still has the same cap that it's always had. These are really difficult to take off and on, and I suspect most people just throw them in the drawer. And it looks like the second ink is already in the pen. Put this cap back on. Now, okay, looks like we still have the same A5 sized paper. The starter book only has 50 sheets of paper, but if you actually buy the 4-pack of the A5 paper, they'll have more sheets, they're thicker. And inside here are the buttons where you'll use this to set the date and set the time of the pen. Looks like the manual hasn't changed at all. This can look a little intimidating because there's a lot of pages, but just remember that if English is your primary language, you only got 7 pages in the front. So the way that you're going to set up the pen is you'll download the Echo desktop software, you'll use the book to set the date and time on the pen, and you'll register it, and then you're ready to go. And I'll cover how the pen works and some of the other models in a different video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and I hope this helps.